that are very, very technologically advanced. One of them is a company called Mobicure. Actually, Suraj, what you should do is send these guys a link to Startupbootcamp Africa's portfolio company.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, you have the links that I've sent you. One of them creates a platform for women in West Africa to communicate with doctors through a real-time live messaging platform, and they make money through a premium subscription that allows them to talk to doctors. If they have any medical emergencies with pregnancy, etc. And it's literally a chat messaging platform for women, that need maternal health questions answered, right? In West Africa. Now, it is a for-profit commercial venture, but because it's in West Africa, they have saved the lives of more than 100,000 of children through technology. In Nigeria alone, every day, close to 1,500 children die every day because of completely preventable illnesses. Diarrhea, dehydration, tuberculosis, malaria, every single day. And a simple creation of a live text messaging platform between doctors and women with children has taken away a good portion of those deaths. That is a full-on tech startup. They aren't